What's up, guys? You know who it is, you know what it is. Check it out. I'll show you this thing I just picked up from ACV. There she is. It's 09 Chevy Aveo. You know, obviously it was hitting the front. You see dents in the bumper. Walking around, this bumper's not aligned. This isn't aligned. You know, rear window regulator does not work. But she did go through all the gears and she drove fine. So I'm thinking, you know, $2,000, all fees included, tax, title, and registration, just to get her gone. As you guys already, well, you don't know because I'm doing this backwards. I just drove it home. So she needs, you can see this front fender has been repainted. Remember what I told you guys? Gonna notice no pinstripe. So with that being said, you know, it is what it is. We're gonna get it gone and move on to the next one. I'll let you guys know. Oh, it's got a sunroof. I didn't even know that. Anyway, that's what it is. All right, guys, just picked this one up from ACV. 2009 Chevy Aveo, 144,000 miles on it. The worst set of hub bearings I've ever had. I have to drive home with my hazards on. I don't know if you guys will be able to pick it up with the audio, but by far the worst set. They're terrible. I mean, she drives right. I really couldn't go above 40 because she's terrible. We're only into this car for $820, and I seem to continuously take beatings on these lower end dollar menu. Can you hear that? That is the roar of two front hub bearings. I mean, legitimately they're $29 each, but they do have to get pressed in. With that being said, you know, they're just terrible shape. So anyway, you know, even when you're buying green light cars, guys, you have to expect that they may need something. The good thing about ACV is, you know, it wasn't announced. I could probably call them, but honestly, for $60, why? You know, God forbid the transmission or something was bad, like with that Honda. You know, they ended up sending me a check for $250. The car was, I think I spent $400 on that car. Not the point. Not the right time for it. Anyway, can you guys hear it? They're terrible. I'm actually having to drive this one to my house versus back to the dealership. Leroy is going to do me a special favor and come and repair it at my house. At least the hub bearings. With that being said, we'll see what it is. See if there's any kind of money left over. This thing is not pretty by no means. But again, you know, it's something quick. It's the dollar menu, so, you know, down the road for less than $2,000 and be done with it. That's really that was really the goal here. It doesn't have AC either, so maybe a quick little shot of Freon. But anyway, I'm gonna park in the street and I will show you guys what we have here.